You won't see me coming, but I can see you from a mile away. You think your team's clever, don't you? But when I show up, you got nothing to say. I'm a cryptomaniac, don't you see me? Hacking all your systems, you say don't EMP me. Seems your whole team don't understand what they're seeing. It's like a game of hide and seek, but I'm the one who's peeking. You think it's cheating, but it's not. It's called being smarter than you. It's my advantage, advances gives you no chance to reboot. You see, my drone is fixated on seeking you out, and now I know I'll laser shot your whole team in the mouth. I'm going crypto maniac, you going so slow. I'm on attack and you never know what I'm gonna hack, so you better turn around and watch your back. I'm going crypto maniac, you going so slow. I'm on attack and you never know what I'm gonna hack, so you better turn around and watch your back. Bang bang, crypto up and at it again. Doesn't matter who I'm facing, I'm gonna be all you're in. So good night my little wise and happy bodies goodbye. I'm the legend on top and that's a fact you cannot deny. Yeah, no you cannot deny, yeah. You cannot deny it. I am crypto and I'm sneaking up behind you. You about to die. I'm going crypto maniac, you going so slow. I'm on attack and you never know what I'm gonna hack, so you better turn around and watch your back. I'm going crypto maniac, you going so slow. I'm on attack and you never know what I'm gonna hack, so you better turn around and watch your back. Destroy the whole arena by my solo. You think you're thinking ahead, but you're thinking slow-mo. My drone is my all-seeing eye, no father up in the sky to tell me who to slaughter. No contest, forever family, that is my conquest. And if you disagree, then you about to get shot in the chest. Don't try to tell me when you're dead who you think is the best. Yeah.